Okay, harap ka lang sa kanila, ha? Okay. Ano pangalan mo?
What's your name?
English po ba, ma'am? Okay, what is your name? What is your name? 3 years old? Okay, again. What is your name?
Yay! Buong name niya yun.
Buong name. Pinapasabi ko lang nickname, hindi kasama address, ma'am eh.
Sharky,
Okay,
Sharky.
ganito na lang. How old are you now? How old are you? How old are you now? 3 years old. Okay, matanong ko lang, nag-aaral ka na ba? Are you study? Ayun, talagang ano lang siya, no? Okay, ganito na lang. What do you want to be when you grow up? Ano gusto mong maging paglaki mo? Police. Police! Talagang naman natin ang future police. Ayun na sila, oh. Okay, ganito na lang. Ready ka na ba? Opo, okay. Okay, huwag na masyadong makulit, no? Ayan, okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you.
Ang galing! Hindi na talaga pinapagawa ko, no? Okay, kuya, ganito yung gagawin mo. Okay, dali, stand up, stand up. Dali, stand up. Ayan, ako ganito lang gagawin mo. Babatiin mo lang si Auntie Talia lang. Happy birthday, Talia! Ayan, ganun lang, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Talia! Go!
Happy birthday to you.
1! Magbilang din. Okay, partner. Bigyan mo na lang si Kuya ng prize sa'yo. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya. Okay, partner. Bigyan mo ng prize si Kuya. Ayan, bigyan mo ng prize. Ayan, ganda prize. Okay, Kuya. Ayan, Kuya, dali. Ayan, okay, sa lalaki pa rin tayo, no? Ito naman si Kuya.